Yeah.
Guys, everybody started for somewhere. Okay, so you have to start. We also started. Now we can go and like have free food anywhere, but we don't like. If I'll go there and tell them I have this much followers, they'll be like happy to sponsor me. Okay, Liz. No, like this. Tuck, tuck, tuck. You remember?
Tuck, tuck, tuck.
Let's go. Where did you get these glasses from?
It just magically happened to appear in my face.
So guys, first meal in India, Liz.
First
Excited?
meal in India since coming back. Actually, first meal in North India ever.
So yeah, dal special. We are ordering a dal. Let's
Okay. I think my favorite dal is yellow dal.
see. Yellow dal.
Yes. What is the difference between special tatka and tatka?
Special tadka have more like very much spices, and this is less spicy.
Is it still spicy?
Everything is spicy in India. More spicy or less spicy? I think we should get a less spicy
Less
one.
spicy to start. Yeah.
Less spicy dal, one curd,
One curd.
and rotis.
Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad. Yeah.
Dhanyavad. Thank you.
So this is, how would you say onions in Germany?
Zwiebeln.
Huh?
Zwiebeln.
Shibe.
Zwiebeln.
Shibe.
No. Zwiebeln. Dhanyavad.
Now she keeps on saying dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
This is tomato chutney, okay?
Okay, it's not spicy.
Not spicy, and this is mint chutney.
Not spicy.
Very spicy.
Very spicy.
You will die after having this.
Okay, mint chutney is very spicy.
Very
this
spicy.
is very mild.
Very less spicy.
Okay.
Yeah. आगे भाई आगे दाल भाई रायता. Look at her face,
Thank
guys.
you.
Huh?
It's with sauce.
It's with butter,
Oh, butter. Oh, with ghee.
ghee,
Ah.
misi roti. This is
Raita.
raita, and this is
Dal makhni.
dal, yellow dal.
Dal.
Yeah, dal. So yeah.
Okay.
Take it, I'll take mine.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's not spicy.
Not spicy? Really? This is not spicy for you?
No.
Now she likes very much spicy, guys. मेरे लिए खुद spicy है.
But it's very tasty. No, it's flavorful. It's spicy, but it's not hot.
Guys, she even can tell the spices in the dal. Cumin, mustard, everything.
Yes.
She's a chef. Right?
I mean, see, when I left India last time, I had to learn how to make it before I leave, so I can eat it at home.
You made dal at your home in Germany?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
But I made it as a soup. So not with roti, but as a soup. It's very nice.
Guys, they also got us these. This is jaggery. Good, bhai, good.
Oh, jaggery.
Yeah.
I like jaggery.
You like jaggery?
Yes.
You like sweet things, huh?
I like jaggery. I like sugarcane juice.
After this, we'll go and have sugarcane juice.
Yeah, or later. It's okay. So in Germany, you can buy this type of jaggery as healthy superfood because there's a lot of polyquinol in there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's just candy after food, but at home it's superfood. And it's very expensive.
In Germany, it's expensive. We can eat anything anyhow. We can eat kgs of jaggery for free. Yeah. One more dessert for you.
Oh, I remember this. What is the crystals in there? Is it sugar?
Sugar. Have it, have it, have it.
Yeah, I want to have it without sugar.
This is the mouth freshener of India.
Yeah, but only without sugar. Because the sugar pieces are very big.
You had an entire cube of sugar.
Yeah, but I don't want to bite on the big pieces because then it's gonna hurt. Okay.
Yeah. How was it? Nice.
Yeah, it's fennel.
It's what?
Fennel.
Fennel.
What?
I don't know what we say this in India.
healthy. Fennel. In Germany, we drink it as tea if we have a cold.
Oh, मजा आ गया. Say this, मजा आ गया.
Maraga.
चलो चलते हैं भाई अब दूसरी जगह. Say it loudly. It should come from your deep throat. Like
Say again.
मजा आ गया.
Maraga.
So guys, now we have left after having the breakfast. Now we are going to Sarojini Market, which is the most crowded market in Delhi, and today is Sunday. So she'll be overwhelmed by seeing the crowd and the prices. Liz, I'm telling you, they'll say an article for 500 rupees or 700 rupees. You have to divide it by 5. If they are saying 500, you have to say 100.
Really? By 5?
By 5.
Isn't that a bit rude?
No, but they also like hype the prices very much. Its actual
Okay.
cost is around 70, 80.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So you know the drill now. Divide by?
By 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we'll see the negotiation skills of Liz, Les and Utkarsh. You know my skills, guys. Last time when we...
In Goa, you won, but maybe this time in Delhi, I win.
Yeah, in Goa
I think
we
the
also
probability of me winning is very high.
did... Let's see, guys. So yeah, in Goa we also played this. There your brother won because you know I'm a player, guys. Now let's see who wins this time. So
Yeah.
it's the challenge between Liz, Les,
Germany versus India.
Germany versus India.
Ding, ding, ding,
Who
ding,
bargains
ding,
more?
ding, ding.
Yeah. We have
The
traffic jam.
traffic is so much better than last night. Last night I thought I'm gonna die. But now it's okay.
It's
Now
okay,
it's
right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys, see you in the Sarojini Market. It'll take us 1 hour. See you after an hour. Okay, guys. I love her energy, guys. Really, I love her energy. I like sometimes I don't feel like vlogging. I'll be honest with you. I'm like, okay, I'm not feeling like doing this, okay. But when I see her face, she's like, yeah, Utkarsh, take out the phone, take out the phone. Then I'm like, okay, I should take out the phone. Guys, Liz just told me one thing. If you'll notice on Indian streets, there's only white cars, mostly white cars. White.
I'm also white.
You're also white. So every car is white here because you know, white is like we consider it as a holy color in India.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah.
Nowadays black trend is going on, but yeah, if I'll ask my family, they'll say no, buy a white car because it's easy to maintain. You don't see the dust.
Mm.
Yeah.
And it doesn't heat up so fast,
it's not-
right?
yeah.
Because it's very hot here.
Yeah, that's the thing. In Germany, she's saying most of the cars are black. Really?
Yeah, most cars are black.
Huh?
Black or silver.
Okay. You don't like white cars there?
Not so much. White is for taxis. How many hours have you already... No. How much time in your life have you already spent in Delhi traffic?
2 years of my life. 2 years is like way too much. Like I'll consider 1 year of my life. Yeah.
Just in traffic.
Just in traffic.
I can't imagine. You do nothing here but being in traffic all day long.
Yeah. When I used to work, I used to commute 4 hour day. Like from my home to Gurgaon, then back. 4 hours in a day commuting.
So 2 hours there, 2
Yeah.
hours back.
Yeah. That's the minimum I was doing.
And how many hours were you working?
I was working around 12 hours.
12-hour days.
12 hours a day I was working and 4 hours I was commuting. So I was just sleeping and eating and everything in 8 hours.
Oh my god. So you had no free time.
No free time. Then I was like, I have to quit the job and start YouTube. Then I found you. Then we killed it. Yeah.
Yes! Yeah, once you're a YouTuber, there's no way back.
There's no way back, guys.
Yeah, we just spoke about that. When you can do this for a living, then you don't want to do anything else.
Yeah. I'm telling you guys, YouTube and modeling. If you're doing modeling as well now, you won't be able to work for somebody else because yeah, it's fun. You're getting paid for getting your good pictures clicked.
Yeah, but modeling, you have to be skinny, no?
No, you have to have a good face. That's it. In India, exactly. A little bit skinny. Yeah. You are an actor. Face in India. You should try acting, Liz. You'll work with Shah Rukh Khan then.
Yes, acting is better because then I can still eat all the food that I want to eat.
Guys, still half an hour away. It's been half an hour on the road. So yeah, everything is so far. So guys, we are very close to Sarojini Nagar. Yeah, And this is the South Delhi area. I'm telling her this is very expensive, and she's like, Utkarsh, we earn in euros. Nothing is
I
expensive.
didn't say that at all. I said,
We earn in euros, Utkarsh. Nothing
said,
is expensive for us.
I said I want to see it. Okay, I just wanted to clarify. I never said that. I would never brag like this, okay? He put these words in my mouth. I don't brag.
Yeah, guys. But yeah, you know, euros are better than INR. And guys, we are also testing Liz driving skills after a while. I'll give her my car. She knows how to drive a manual. That's impressive. And let's see. My car is lovely to me, baby. Please be okay.
Yeah. I'll drive your car.
Okay.
Driving in Delhi. Challenge accepted.
I love her energy, man. I love her energy. I don't know what she eats, guys. But
You
yeah.
know what I eat?
Yeah.
Dal.
Dal.
Dal and chicory.
Lentils, guys. Lentils. You wanna go to washroom, right? First, let me take you to a
Yes,
hotel.
please.
Let me take you to a
But-
fancy 5-star hotel.
Can we get toilet paper as well?
Yeah, you'll get a toilet paper. You'll
Because
get
I found out here you don't buy a roll of toilet paper. You buy toilet paper by the meter.
And that was a joke.
Oh, because in your house there was no toilet paper roll. You just had like
Yeah, because
That
there was
roll-
roll was like I threw it away. I told her we buy it.
dude, you tell me so many things and I believe you, huh?
I told
I'm
her
gonna leave India and I'm gonna say all these lies. And you know, this is why there are so many stereotypes and cliches going on because of people like you. They make up all these lies, people believe it because they're in a foreign country, they don't know the truth. I thought it was
guys,
the
I
truth.
told you, like in my washroom, I had some toilet paper left, so I told her we get it in meter, like 1 meter, 2 meter, for 2 rupees, 3 rupees. She was like, oh, that's weird. I was like, yeah. But guys, you should lie like me, so that
No! Because now I'm gonna
so that
go-
another person can believe you. Is it speaking a lie or it's a truth? Then you should tell the truth later, but okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but see, you would have forgotten about this if I wouldn't have brought it up. And then I would have come back to Germany telling everyone, oh, in Delhi you buy toilet paper by the meter.
So now, guys, I'm taking her to Taj Palace, which is one of the most expensive hotel of India, of Delhi. You know why? So that she can go to washroom and use the toilet paper, because in public toilet washroom there's no toilet paper. Now we are going to a 5-star hotel for that. This is Taj Palace, guys. See. She's so lucky.
Very lucky.
Going to washroom
So
in a
this is
5-star
only
hotel.
where princesses go to the toilet.
Yeah, guys, see. See, guys. If you're my friend, you have so many perks. Taj Palace, New Delhi. Yeah, guys, one of the
Oh, I once went to Taj Palace in Bangalore.
yeah, one of the most expensive.
Oh, was it? Was that at the wedding?
This is one of the oldest hotel in India.
Nice.
Yeah, in Delhi.
In Delhi.
Yeah.
Nice.
No, I'll tell you one thing. Like they're checking my boot, but they're not checking anything here.
Why not?
There's a weird thing in India. They don't check your car. They just check your boot. If there's a body lying here.
You want to know what happened to me at the airport in Delhi?
Yeah.
Everybody had to put their suitcase through the machine to the customs scan, and I was there with my suitcase too. And they pointed at me and they said, "You can go." I said,
Huh?
"I don't have to get my suitcase scanned." They said, "No."
Why?
I don't know. And everybody else was standing in line. I was the only one they told you don't have to.
Because you're good looking, right? So yeah, guys, now we are going to Taj Palace to pee. See, we are giving our car in valet. Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, fancy schmancy pantsy.
Well, let's go. We have so many stuff here. Let me just put these 2 things here. Let's go.
Yes. I know, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good, sir.
Again, I didn't get scanned.
People don't scan her, guys. I don't know why. They don't scan her.
I look innocent, no? Because I am. I really am.
So, guys, have you ever seen somebody coming to a 5-star hotel to pee? मौज तो है भाई, जो मेरा दोस्त है ना उसकी मौज तो है. चलो गाइज, ये भी कर लेगी सूसू, हम भी कर लेंगे सूसू. गाइज आई एम टेलिंग द थिंग, लड़के सूसू करते हैं भाई, लड़कियां जस्ट पी गाइज, गर्ल्स जस्ट पी. ओके, तो भाई ये पी कर लेगी, हम सूसू कर लेंगे भाई. ताज में आके आता नहीं, मैं ताज पास था भाई, साइड में था, सरोजनी के पास किया ताज. ठीक है, सोया नहीं, रात को सोफे पे ढंग से नींद नहीं आई थी, बट मेहमान है तो करना पड़ता है.
Okay, I'm going to the bathroom.
I'm following you. जाने जाना कर ले भाई. अब तुम भी आ जाओ यार. क्या शर्माना, क्या शर्म, बेशरम हो यार तुम. बहुत बेशरम हो भाई. अकेले करने दिया करो ये सब. कर लिया भाई. सुसु कर लिया भाई. So Liz, how was it? Going to wash him in a 5-star hotel, huh?
Yes, it had toilet paper. This hotel is so nice.
Yeah.
Next time I stay here.
Next time we'll buy this. Think big.
Okay, okay.
She like next time we'll stay here. No, we'll buy this. We can buy this in like coming 4-5 months.
Oh, sure.
Let's swing come.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, you have one life.
Wait, let's swing. That sounds a bit ambiguous, no?
Let's swing on the swing.
Okay.
Oh, we can't say it.
Antique.
Antique art, not for use.
Antique object art, not for use.
Oh. Come, let's go. Liz, if I'll get super rich,
Yeah.
I'll buy you one of these.
Really?
Because you supported me in my low phase. Then I'll remember you in my high phase.
Okay. Thank you.
I also shot for this brand, guys, Hazuri Lal. Check कर लेना भाई मिलेगा तुम्हें वहाँ.
Do you want me to play a song on the piano?
Oh, you know how to play a piano?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah, but I haven't done it in many years.
Oh. So guys, yeah. Now let's go to Sarojini. From a fancy place to one of the most crowded places in Delhi.
Yeah, it's nice to have the contrast, right?
Yeah. Ladies first.
Oh. Thank you.
Why it's not moving?
You stopped it. No. Ah. Playing your tricks.
Da-na-na-na. Lisa, future car.
It's my car.
Huh?
It's my car. Can you throw me the key? Thank you.
Oh,
I told you I can drive, no?
I'll give you an empty road. I'm scared. Are you a pro driver?
No.
Yeah, so I'll give you an empty road.
Okay. Are you a pro driver?
Yeah. Up tak you didn't get it till now?
Yes, you are, I guess.
Right?
I mean, we're still alive.
Yeah, you'll be alive only. So guys, yeah, soon we'll be buying the Taj Palace.
Abhishek.
Oh, Johnny, Jana.
Oh, Johnny, summer has to kind of listen.
Speak after me.
Oh, Johnny.
Oh, Johnny, Jana, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना.
Oh, Johnny, Johnny, tunda choche. They're
Say hi
pushing
to
each other on the
them.
road.
Say hi to them.
Okay.
Say hi, hi.
Why?
Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi to them. Hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi to them. Say hi to them.
Hello.
हाय बोल दो भाई सब. इंडिया घुमा रहा हूँ.
They're very confused.
They're
Like,
very
why is she saying hi?
Yeah. Who is she?
Why is she saying hi?
Am I so pretty? She say hi to me. They must be thinking, am I a model or something?
It feels really weird. I never say hi to a group of men. It's very weird.
Let's go, man.
Ah.
Ah.
Usually when there's a group of men, I walk very fast.
Ah.
There's food everywhere.
Food everywhere, pretty boys everywhere.
You're definitely not gonna starve here.
Yeah, guys. India is full of everything, guys. You should come here. Full of fun, full of nice people, full of pollution, full of
Full of pollution.
full of guys who think they own these streets. Yeah.
You think you own these streets?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you though?
Obviously, we pay taxes. So indirectly, we own these streets. Yeah.
You fund these streets.
Yeah. I fund these streets. So if I'm funding them, I own them.
That's not how life works.
That's
That
how.
almost sounds like it would be fair.
Huh?
That almost sounds like it would be fair.
Yeah, but still, I think I own them. In Delhi, I think, like, I'm from Delhi, so yeah.
Delhi boy!
Delhi boy.
Delhi, Delhi, Delhi boy. Oh, I think I want to write a song. Delhi boy, Delhi, Delhi boy.
So guys, yeah, wait for 5
The
minutes.
song will go like this, something like, oh, he says this and he does this. That must be a Delhi boy. And then he says, and then he does this. That must be a Delhi boy. Ding, 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 ding. That could be a banger. Yeah.
Delhi boy.
Delhi
we
boy,
say, we
Delhi
don't
boy.
say Delhi, we say Delhi. Say
Delhi.
Delhi.
Delhi boy.
Delhi boy.
Delhi.
Say this. भाई साहब दिल्ली तो हैं.
What?
भाई साहब दिल्ली तो हैं.
Baisa Delhi ta.
Oh भाई.
What does it mean?
We are from Delhi.
Me too.
Yeah. You are a
Since-
Delhiite. You are a
since-
Delhiite now.
Yeah.
I should take left or right.
Some Delhi ta. Nom 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 nom. Custard apple.
Guys, now we are in the heavy traffic area. गलत फंस गए भाई यहाँ.
Speak English.
We came like really deep inside Sarojini Market. We should have parked our car outside. Wow, guys, sometimes I speak so fluent English. I feel proud of myself, guys.
I'm very proud. Good English.
Right?
Yeah,
If you have to rate my English, be honest, please.
No, you speak really good English.
Really?
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
10, no? I think you speak perfect English.
सुन रहे हो? Guys, are you getting it? Yeah. So never say Utkarsh, your English is fucked up.
Who said that?
Some guys in comment, he said.
Who?
I don't know his name.
No, your English is good.
Yeah. Now I'll make a Hindi good. In like 6 months, guys, Liz will speak more fluent Hindi than me.
Okay, you have to teach me.
ठीक है? पक्की बातचीत.
ठीक है, पति बात.
And guys, before going out, your brother always applies. You have to do like this, then close your eyes and do your lips like this.
Okay, now me.
Oh fuck! It went into my eyes.
Oh, you said close your lips and you forgot to close your eyes.
Close your lips and eyes. Yeah, it'll give you. Oh. It was cold, right?
Yes, very cold.
Let's go.
It smells like
Smells like
summer.
summer. Let's go. Liz,
Hello.
so first time in Sarojini Market.
Yeah.
1500 रुपए का है.
1500 का.
अरे वाह! क्या हो रहा है? चलो
Yo, why the yelling?